Okay everyone, welcome back to my another video tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perfectly sync your audio or video tracks in Premiere Pro, or how to move your track very freely in Premiere Pro. So sometimes when you want to move the video or audio track, it's gonna stick to the other end of the other track. So if you want to disable the snap tool, there is snap tool here. So if you disable it, it won't stick to the other end of the track, right? As you guys can see there, it don't stick to the other end of the track. Let me show you. There, it won't stick. But if you enable it, it will stick to the other end of the track. There, look at that, right? So but sometimes disabling snap tool is not enough sometimes. Example, you want to move your track millisecond just for a little bit. This is the farthest you can zoom in Premiere Pro, as you guys can see there. But actually you can zoom in even further. But let me show you how. You just need to right click on this, right click, and then click on show audio time units there, and then after this you can zoom in even further on the tracks. Look at that, right? Let me show you the difference again. If you disable the show audio time unit, this is the furthest you can zoom in. Pay attention, look at that, this is the farthest you can zoom in. But if you enable the show audio time unit, you can zoom in even further on the tracks. Look at that. So now with this thing, you can just very easily sync your audio or video tracks. Example, I want to perfectly sync this to audio tracks. Wait a minute. I want to sync this to audio tracks so it will match perfectly. Let's see. Okay. There, it's so easy now to perfectly sync this thing. I can... Nope, it's too far. There, it's perfectly synced. So, yeah, let's hear it. Yeah, it's perfectly synced, these two audio tracks. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video tutorial. It's pretty simple actually how to perfectly sync your audio. If snap tool is not good enough for you, you can just enable the show audio time unit as I show you there, so you can zoom in even further on the tracks. So this is the maximum on the normal. If you disable the show audio time units, this is the farthest you can zoom. That's it. That's the farthest you can zoom if you disable the show audio time unit. But if you enable it, you can zoom in even further on the track, so you can easily sync your audio or video tracks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. How to perfectly sync your audio, how to move your track freely in Premiere Pro. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think my video was helpful, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.